In this video, we are going to look at simple interest. Simple interest is the amount paid or earned for the use of money. A person earns interest when they put their money into a savings account at a bank. A person owes interest when they take out a loan for a house. This is called a mortgage. We can determine the simple interest using this formula. I equals PRT. I represents the interest. P represents the principal, or the amount of money deposited or borrowed. R represents the rate, or the percent at which the interest is accrued. And T represents time. Years is the unit used for time. So let's take a look at the first example. It reads, Arnold put $700 into a savings account. The account pays 6% simple interest. How much interest will he earn in each amount of time? So we have two separate problems. The first one is for 5 years, and the second one is for 6 months. Step 1 is to fill in the formula with the information given. So first we're looking at that P, which represents principal. And we know that Arnold put $700 into the savings account. So the principal will be $700. R represents the rate, or the percentage at which the interest is accrued. In this problem, R, or the rate, will be 6%. We cannot leave it as 6% though. We need to convert this to a decimal. We can do this by removing the percent sign and dividing by 100. 6 divided by 100 is equal to 0.06. And finally is the T, which stands for time. The T for this problem will be 5, since the time passing is 5 years. Step 2 is to multiply to calculate the simple interest. And remember, those parentheses tell us to multiply. 700 times 0.06 times 5 is equal to $210. So the interest he will earn after 5 years is $210. Now let's move on to the second problem. We want to determine how much interest Arnold will earn after 6 months. Step 1 is to fill in the formula with the information given. P, or the principal, is equal to 700. R, or the rate, is equal to 6%, which we already converted to 0.06. And T, or the time for this one, is going to look a little different. Because if you remember, the time is represented in years. And for this problem, we have 6 months. So we need to convert this into a decimal. We can do that by dividing the 6 by 12. Since there are 12 months in a year. And 6 divided by 12 is equal to 0.5, or 1/2. And 6 months is half of a year, so that makes sense. Step 2 is to multiply to calculate the simple interest. 700 times 0.06 times 0.5 is equal to $21. So Arnold will earn $21 in interest in 6 months. Now it is your turn to try a problem. This problem reads, Fred puts $1,200 into a savings account. The account pays 5% simple interest. How much interest will he earn in 6 years? I recommend you pause the video, use the formula to help you solve, and resume it when you're ready to see if your answer is correct. Let's take a look at the solution. After putting all of the information into the formula and multiplying, we can see the correct answer is D, $360. Now I have one more problem I would like you to try. This problem reads, Zoe received a $1,000 loan from her bank. She plans on paying off the loan in 3 months. The interest rate is 4.5%. How much interest will Zoe have to pay on the loan after the 3 months? So I recommend you pause the video, use the formula to help you solve, and resume when you're ready to see if your answer is correct. Let's take a look at the solution. After filling in the formula with the information and multiplying, we can see that the correct answer is B, $11.25.